Hey guys, we received this Kinvor arm sleeves for men, women to cover arms with thumb holes. So this is like the hand hole. So you can use it or as a sun UV protection arm warmers for volleyball, football, or any other place you want to use. So it's a two pack, as you can see it here. So it's a flexible fabric that you can easily put on your arms. So really nice fit in here, and it can be used by anyone. So this will protect you from the sun as the material is there, and you can use it while playing or doing any other activity. It's very nice, comfortable, and good fit, flexible thing. So I have this grip as well, so this will not fall in. Silicone rubber grip, so this can goes easily on your arm. So it's a very nice thing to put on with the protection and really nice size that you can use. So with the both arms as well as a nice fit, very nice sleeves for your outdoor use.